Meet Katie. Katie has been on the phone all week desperately trying to get technical support for an issue she is facing with her Cognos BI report. Each year, the price of her Cognos support goes up, but the quality of service she receives keeps getting worse. Katie has had it. Paul is a talented HR analyst, but not so much with Cognos. However, to process payroll, Paul must create advanced calculations within Cognos. This takes away from his core work responsibilities, and this is ultimately hurting his performance. Paul could use some temporary help. Poor Jill. Jill has already paid upwards of $30,000 in 3 months to an expensive contractor from the big bad consulting firm. Yet, nothing has been accomplished. Jill is facing immense pressure to start showing the ROI on her decision to hire an expensive consultant. Meet the team at Sales Inc. With IBM's decision to end all support for Cognos 10, the team is desperate to upgrade to Cognos 11. But how? Besides this, they are also in need of some training to become familiar with the drastically changed reporting interface within the new version. Sam has gone through hundreds of resumes, but finding a talented Cognos developer with the right experience has been very difficult. So far, he has had to let 2 consultants go after spending months and several thousands of dollars recruiting the right candidates. Are all these Cognos BI problems familiar? Isn't there a faster, convenient, and cheaper way to solve these costly, time-consuming problems by leveraging modern technology and novel business models? Well, there is. Introducing the Cognos as a Service, CAAS, a Cognos monthly BI subscription by Coglitics. By partnering with Coglitics at the subscription level, your organization will benefit in many ways, like flexible subscription service. We offer a viable alternative to the bigger companies who often increase their annual maintenance and support costs without any notice whatsoever. You can decide to set up a training class on a Monday, knowledge transfer on a Tuesday, or have a report developed for you the weekend before payroll. You no longer have to wait weeks or months for that high-paid support rep from the big firm to get back to you, because you have Coglitics on speed dial. Remote development is more convenient, faster, and cheaper. With new technology and services like WebEx, Skype, GoToMeeting, and the like, getting work done with a remote consultant has never been more prudent. You will save on time by getting the job done faster, and you will also save on the cost of providing office space and on-premise expenses like laptops, phones, security badges, as well as food and travel cost. Optimal resource utilization. Why would you agree to pay $8,000 to $10,000 per month for a Cognos developer to come on board, only to be underutilized, if you can have another, better Cognos consultant for the equivalent of 4 whole months for the same price or less with a subscription? We are the IBM Cognos specialists, providing real solutions really fast. Let us help you trim your Cognos reporting costs today.